When a lot of us are going to see highs in the low 90s, but factoring in the oppressive levels of humidity, it's going to feel like the triple digits. That's actually why we have a heat advisory in effect for those feels like temperatures, upper 90s, low 100s. So here's the actual air temperature, low to mid 80s already for most of us, and dew points are in the low to mid 70s. Already have some upper 70s out there, which again is as bad as it gets here. So the heat index forecast, what it's going to feel like today, 90s and 100s for the vast majority of the day. Make sure you're staying hydrated. Now, we're nice and dry out there right now. A couple more clouds off to our west. Partly to mostly cloudy throughout the day. A very low-end chance for an isolated shower or storm, primarily late this afternoon and evening. An isolated one could become pretty strong. Most of us won't see that. Better chances for tomorrow, though. I'll show you that coming up. And we're following breaking news. In fact, today's going to be mostly dry. Some of you may stay completely dry. It's a low-end chance for an isolated shower or storm, primarily this afternoon or this evening. Right now, we are completely dry. The problem is with the heat and humidity, even if you end up getting that isolated shower or thunderstorm, it could actually become pretty strong pretty quickly because heat and humidity is a fuel source for it. So, well, timing this out, I really cannot stress enough how isolated the coverage is and how it's still going to be a nice day. Definitely the pick of the weekend by far. Noontime, there's that spot shower. As we get to the late afternoon, that's when we have the most instability in the atmosphere because we have the most heating, and that's the most energy we have for thunderstorms to get on the stronger side. But again, it's going to be an isolated thunderstorm anywhere in our region. The chance is even higher as you get toward the evening hours, but higher is a relative term because that chance is still pretty low. It's only around 20%. Now, overnight, we could see an isolated shower or storm. Better chances going into tomorrow. And it's toward the second half of the day. So tomorrow's not even terrible, especially if you get out in the morning. We are going to be partly to mostly cloudy tomorrow. This noontime starting to see some showers and thunderstorms for southwestern New Hampshire already for tomorrow. Late afternoon, isolated showers and thunderstorms. And then we're going to see this line develop. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock. It's going to roll through eastern Massachusetts and southeastern Mass as well. Right now, the severe weather risk with that is pretty low. And then after that, we could just see a spot shower Sunday evening. Heads up if you're heading to the beach today, which it won't be as hot at the Cape. Most of us upper 80s, low 90s today. At the Cape, only low to mid 80s. The UV index is still very high. It's at 8 for today. It does dip down a little bit going into tomorrow. So 87 to 92 degrees. At the Cape, only 80 to 85. Overnight, pretty warm and very, very humid. 68 to 73. And then tomorrow, cooling down 81 to 86 degrees. At the Cape, only the upper 70s and the low 80s. 7-day forecast. Jumping to Monday, partly sunny, hot 90. And if you hate the hot weather, you don't have to wait very long. Tuesday, Wednesday, chances for some scattered showers, sure. But look at Tuesday, 80. Look at Wednesday, 74. And Thursday, Friday, keeping mostly dry for now. It really depends on that tropical system, but highs are going to be down to the 70s.